Siegel Schwall Band. I think it was the one.
They denied 100%. Spicer said 100%. Here again, this goes back to this.
They get some some explosive players. You know, you still got Stevie Thomas who can get you a double. He can get 20.
Every weekday afternoon.
Sometimes.
Do that again this time, but he's going to be aggressive.
The depth factor still favor NIU. I look back at the...
In the sports world, we're in the Geico Fox. Entre amigos tenemos mucho que decir, pero lo decimos como...
Big win in the Big 12. Both teams.
Not that difficult to break down. I don't know if the...
Because you just don't know.
It's 26 minutes from Lake Cook Road to the junction, 17 the other way. It's 40.
In your blood.
In the U.S. from Egypt in 1990 and preached at mosques in Brooklyn and New Jersey. He was convicted.
Nobody has more vanities or can match our prices. Nobody. Need a beautiful...
During the stretch run.
Well, John, I'm with you. I wouldn't have taken him out.
Minute ride.